Cambridge International Examination, CIE Solved Papers, paper code 711022, November 2011. IGCSE topic books of original entry or special journals or daybooks. Sanvas account is discussed in this video. Sanvas is a supplier of goods to Akmal. Sanvas allows 15% trade discount on all purchases made by Akmal. The following transactions took place in September 2011. September 1, Akmal owed $1,500 to Sanvas. It means this is the opening balance of his account. On 8 September, Akmal purchased goods from Sanvas with list price. On this list price, we'll apply the discount percentage. Akmal returned goods on 8 September purchase with list price 240. Again, the discount will be applied. Akmal sent a check in full settlement for the amount owing on September 1. On September 1, this was the amount owing, less 4% cash discount. Write up the account of Sanvas in ledger of Akmal. Bring down the balance on 1st October 2011. Let's start. Akmal owed $1,500. This was the opening balance because Sanvas account is the trade payable account, so his opening balance is $1,500. Then we had seen that on 8 September he purchased goods for 800 list price less 15% discount, that is 120. Whenever purchases will be done from Sanvas, his trade payable ledger will be credited. We'll subtract the amount 15% from this list price and we'll credit his account. Then we had seen the transaction that Akmal returned some goods. He has returned us the goods of 240. We know that they were sold at 15% discount. So actually 36 was the discount given to him on these goods of 240 list price. So actually the goods are returned for a value of 204. That is what we have to mention here. This is only the rough working done in black for your understanding. This is the amount which is to be entered here. Again, this is the amount which is to be entered here. It is the rough working for your understanding. Let's see the next transaction. Akmal sent a check in full settlement for the amount owing on September 1 less 4% as discount. This is the amount which Akmal owed on 1500 to Sanvas. 1500 minus 4% cash discount is actually 60. The discount will also be debited in his account. The amount received from him will also be debited. After subtracting the discount from the amount which we owe to him, the amount will be debited, and furthermore the transactions are done. Let's close his account. Total the credits, total the debits, subtract, or you can find the difference. That difference will become balance carried down. Rule of the account of Sanvas in the books of Akmal. The same carried down balance will become the brought down balance, and that's all. Question B. State one reason why Salman offers Akmal a trade discount. Salman offers Akmal a trade discount as goods are sold to a fellow trader, or it could be said that giving trade discount to a customer is a custom of trade. It's mostly offered on sales in bulk quantity. Part C. State the name of the document that Salman would send to Akmal for the return of goods on 10 September. We know that on return of goods, a credit note is sent. Place a tick mark under the correct heading to show the ledger in which Akmal would record each of the following accounts. The sales are in journal or nominal ledger. Supplier's account is prepared in purchases ledger. Heat and light is again the journal ledger. Capital is the journal ledger. And George, the customer's account, will be prepared in sales ledger. Supplier's account will be prepared in purchases ledger. Customer's account will be prepared in sales ledger. That's all. Like, subscribe, share. Commerce Lecture Online.